So hi and welcome to day 7. Today I tried to rope my work colleagues into my vlog. I'm sat with everybody from work who's really embarrassed to be in a vlog. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So this is now the end of day 7. So today I've jumped on the scales and had a quick weigh-in, and the results are in. This week alone I've managed to lose 1.7 kilos, which is about 3 3/4 pounds, which isn't too bad to be honest. Now compared to previously, so for the past 2 months I have been on Huel only at work and then still eating other meals, including takeaways and things like that. But that was from November through to December, and including we've got Christmas in there as well. So the average was working out for December that per week I was end up losing about 1 3/4 pounds per week, whereas now I'm losing 3 3/4 pounds per week. So there's a marked increase in the weight loss. So it's not too bad. So starting tomorrow is day 8, which is the start of my 2nd week also. So tomorrow I will be starting my press up regime. I'll be trying to squeeze in 100 press ups over the course of the day and see how I get on with those. The other thing that I'll be doing as well is I'm cutting out my boiled egg from the Huel diet. I think I'll use that as a nice, transition in. We'll see how that goes now. If I find it too hard, I'm going to try and stick with it, just pure Huel now. But if I do find it too hard, I may end up switching back. So I've got the boiled eggs back in my diet again. They do, for me personally, they do help me just getting through the, through the day. If you want a snack, having a boiled egg as a snack seems a lot better than, completely caving in and running to the vending machine for a Mars bar. So the boiled eggs may make a return, but I'm going to try and keep them out of the diet now for the next week, potentially for the next 3 weeks. So tomorrow as well, I'm off all day, so I'm on my swing. I've been working days for the last 3 days. I'm off tomorrow day, but I'm working tomorrow night. So in my swing tomorrow, I'll get up in the morning, I'll try and do some press-ups. I'm going to go out and try and do a 5k run most probably. Try and do some other bits and pieces with my day, and then I'm off to work. So about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'll try and jump into bed, squeeze a few hours sleep in, and then I'll be off out to work later on. So tomorrow, I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to be recording my vlog. It's going to be a bit weird. I might have to edit it on my phone, so please forgive me for the next 2 days that the vlog might be a little bit hit and miss. I know the editing's not brilliant anyway on these ones, but I don't think the editing's going to be even better. I think it's going to be even worse when it's actually on the mobile phone. The thing I've noticed today, my cravings have started to subside. So I'm a week in now with this almost nothing but Huel, and my cravings have started to subside a bit today. So I'm kind of handling it a lot better now. I think last night probably helped when I went to the takeaway and I managed to, overcome that little hurdle for myself. So today I went downstairs, and instead of kind of keeping myself out of the way when everyone else is having their break at work, I went downstairs and when everyone else was having breakfast. Still, I wouldn't say I was craving the food, but it did look tempting to go and get myself, a cooked breakfast. But with that though, today I would say as well that the Huel went down a lot easier. Now, I wouldn't say that's because of the whole craving thing. I don't know why. I still had my first Huel today about 9 o'clock in the morning, and then the one in the afternoon went down very easily, and the one I had tonight also went down very easily. The reflux got in my throat. It's still there, but it's not as bad as it has been. I think that's now my stomach's finally starting to get used to having the Huel pretty much permanently inside it. But it's doing its job. I'm still feeling full each time I eat it. For what I'm using it for, it is reducing my calorie intake, and it's not leaving me feeling hungry throughout the day. As I said, having the one at 9 o'clock in the morning seems to do me fine. I am actually missing out breakfast at the moment, but doing that even. So I'm missing out breakfast, but I'm having one for 9 o'clock, having another one for about 2:30 it was today, and then I had another one when I got home from work. But it all seemed to fall together today. I did have 2 boiled eggs today at work as well, so I don't know whether that's making any difference about it. So I had 1 boiled egg for breakfast, and then I had another boiled egg about 4 o'clock in the afternoon as my snack. But apart from that, so one other thing as well, I'm running drastically low on Huel. I'm kind of hoping that my new shipment's going to be turning up anytime soon, because I've literally got scrapings left in the bag now. So I've bagged up what I need for tomorrow, and then beyond that, I think I'm going to run out on Tuesday. So I'm hoping my new shipment, I've looked online, and my new shipment is supposed to be getting dispatched tomorrow. So hopefully it will be here quite promptly. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. Problem. To be honest, I wasn't expecting to go through the Huel as fast as I have done, but that's because I'm now just on nothing but it. As a side note, I think that you probably go through a bag a week when you're literally having 3 meals a day with it. You're going through about a bag a week, but for me, for some reason, I seem to be just slightly over a bag a week, which is why I've run out a little bit earlier than I predicted. Like I said, hopefully I've got enough to get through for the next few days. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's going to be interesting. Might need to Google something I can do in the meantime, but I've got no idea. But anyway, that might not be a problem. Hopefully it might turn up. So if you've not seen my other Huel vlogs before, just up the top here now, there is a little link. You can click on that now and it'll take you to the playlist for all the other videos that I've done so far for this first week. If you've not done so and you want to stay up to date, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It will keep you up to date. And also don't forget to like and give me a comment down below. Thanks very much for checking out my video, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Cheers.